In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Drive. By the end, you'll have the Google Drive app added to the exact board where you need it, so your team can attach files and access documents without leaving Monday. Start by opening Monday and heading to your home area. Make sure you're signed in and that you have access to the workspace and board where you plan to use the integration. Next, look for the small puzzle-shaped icon on the left sidebar. That's the Apps Marketplace. Click it to open the place where you can find and add apps to your account. Inside the marketplace, you can browse categories, but the fastest route is the search bar. In the search field, type Google Drive and run the search. You should see the Google Drive listing appear in the results. Select it to open the app page. This is a built-in app provided by Monday, which means it's officially supported and regularly maintained. On the app page, click Use App. Monday will now guide you through placing the app where it belongs. First, choose the workspace that contains the board you want to enhance with Google Drive. Workspaces help separate teams and projects, so pick the one where your board lives. Then, choose the specific board where you want files attached or Drive content embedded. Selecting the right board now saves you from moving things later. When you're sure about your selections, click Add App. That's the action that installs the Google Drive app to your chosen board. At this point, you may be prompted to connect your Google account and grant permissions so Monday can access your Drive. Approve the connection with the account that owns or can access the files your team needs. If your team works from a shared drive, be sure that account has the right shared drive permissions. Once the app is added, you'll see Google Drive available on that board, either as a view or via components you can add. From there, you can attach files from Drive directly to items, keep documents organized alongside tasks, and streamline collaboration. If you don't see the app immediately, refresh the board or check the board's views and integration settings. If the Use App button is missing or grayed out, you might need an admin to enable Marketplace apps for your account. That's it. You've added the Google Drive app to your Monday board, setting up a smoother workflow for sharing and finding files where your work already happens.